of Hill Road. City Road facing the junction. Here's City Road and Hill Road. Here's the junction. F is facing the junction. F is the only one that's at the junction right here. Junction is right here and it's facing it. Right? Right? Is facing it. The answer is F. Number 18. Number 18. The answer is G. All right, what do they say? Listen what they say. On a little road. On a little road. Everybody, one moment, please. Teacher needs his battery, or his computer's going to die and there'll be no class. Okay. All right, so they said on a little road leads off Station Square. On a little road, right? Little road that leads off Station Square. Where's the little road that leads off? Here's the short road, right? I told you it was called a short road. What's the synonym for short? Little. Right? Leads off Station Square. What does it mean when leads off? This road right here, this is what it means when they say leads off. Okay? Leads off Station Square. Right? Little road that leads off Station Square. So you have to know that this is the little road. Right? Or a closed road. It's a little road. All right? So it's about vocabulary recognition. Number 18. Who has 18? I'm sorry. Who has 19? What is 19? $19 is I. What did they say? City, Crawley Junction. Where's the City Crawley Junction? City Crawley Junction is right here. Here's the City Crawley Junction. Now, what do they say? Same side as Garden. City Crawley Junction on the same side as the Garden. Right? Here's the junction. It's on the same side as the junction. It has to be I. It can't be E. Right? E is not near the Crawley City Road Junction. E is near the Hill Road City Junction. Okay, so for those of you that picked E, you're looking at the wrong junction. Koduri said E, Maria said E, Ola said E, Ibrahim said E. Right? You guys are looking at the wrong junction. All right, they said what? Crawley City Junction. Crawley City Junction. All right? When they say Crawley City Junction, that's where you should be down here at the bottom of the map, not at the wrong junction. Okay? And number 20. What's number 20? $20 is B. All right? Now, what did they say? Up through station, east on Hill, winding road, right. Right side. Up through. What does it mean, up through? Up through means going from the bottom all the way through the top. Here's the bottom, up through Station Square until we hit Hill Road, east on Hill Road until we hit the winding road, on the right side of the winding road. Right? So if you knew, that's why vocabulary is so important. If you know what a winding road is, even if you were lost in the very beginning, once they said winding road, and this is the only winding road on the map, your eyes should go directly to that winding road. Okay? It doesn't matter if you got lost somewhere. It doesn't matter if, you were over on City Road instead of going up through Station Square. It doesn't matter if you went west of the bank instead of going east of the bank on Hill Road. Once they said the words winding road, if you knew your vocabulary and know your vocabulary, you know where you should be going. Okay? And that's why vocabulary is so important. Okay? That's why vocabulary is so important. So what I wanted to do here was hold on, somebody has a question for me. I got the vocabulary from the audio, but when it comes to answer, I was missing somewhere, getting confused. All right, somebody asked me a question that they get the vocabulary, but they get confused. That's a matter of you're practicing. That's a matter of you're just learning vocabulary better and recognizing when they're saying a particular vocabulary word. That comes from practice, right? It's not something that you're going to get one time, but sometimes you might play the audio from one map 10 times until you're able to recognize the vocabulary words and where they say the vocabulary words are. Okay, that's what you have to do. But there's no secret formula. All right, that's what somebody just asked me a question about. All right, so I hope it's more clear. On how to do how to do the map. Okay. Now, for the next one, we have the option. We have the option. I might go ahead and do another map. Does anybody want me to do another map, or do you want me to go back into the multiple choice questions? Because there's only so much time. But does everybody? Please, another map. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Stop. All right. Okay. All right. Stop. All right. We'll do a map. Okay. All right. So we'll do another map, and if I have time after the map, no, there's no break. All right. Somebody asked me if there was a break. No, Tarek, I don't know if I have time because at a certain time I have to stop because I also have to teach a live TOEFL class today. I have a TOEFL course and I have an IELTS course, and I have to teach the listening section for my TOEFL students. So I can't. The clock doesn't go forever. Okay. All right, Tarek, I don't know what MCQ means. Okay, so everybody hold on one moment. The next one I'm gonna be looking at is from book 13, test 1. All right, book 13, test 1. So if you have book 13, test 1, pull it out. And I'll be looking at section 2. There probably will not be another live session this week. I normally only do like one or two every month, and I focus on a different thing. This time I'm focusing on listening. What you can do is you can listen to the other live classes in the listening section because I've uploaded those live classes already. Okay. All right. So book 13 and section 2. And in this one, I'm not going to, if you look at section 2, let me pull it up. Let me pull it up for a second. One moment. Everybody, hold on one moment. Give me 1 minute, please. All right, 1 moment. Book 13. Book 13. It's 654. Okay, everybody, just 1 moment. I'm setting it up so it can play. We can get it directly where we need to get it. Because what I'm going to do with this next one is I'm going to. Okay, we're at 654. Okay. Okay, good. We're at the right mark. Okay. Now, 13. Test 1, section 2. Okay.